Welcome to Insurance Alert Broadcast. I'm Vivek Jain here, Editor-in-Chief. Today, we are very fortunate to talk to a veteran from the general insurance industry, Mr. Aftab Alvi. Mr. Alvi is a president, National Head Bank Assurance, and member of the executive team of Shriram General Insurance Company Limited. A hardcore professional and a poet at heart is a very rare combination in the insurance industry. So let's talk to him and find out what is there in store for us in the general insurance industry in the future. Uh, Sir, my first question to you was, where you think this general insurance industry is heading?
Non-life insurance industry in India is nowadays under consolidation. We are witnessing a lot of players like Future and Bharti are merging with bigger player. And non-life industry has witnessed the robust growth, 17% in last 2 decades. Although the penetration level is less than 1% is 0.94% to be precise. So immense potential in this industry is there. So, and the role of technology will play a good role for the increment of this business, insurance business in India nowadays. I think so, in my opinion.
So you think this pandemic has created awareness for the insurance and especially for health one? And do you think now this business interruption policy will be a new trend in business community?
Definitely, you are absolutely right, Jansab. Due to COVID, the insurance products, more particularly health and life, people are now becoming aware of importance of having a health insurance policy or a life insurance policy. Earlier, we used to tell that insurance being a push product.
Yeah.
Now it's becoming a pull product. So, and as far as the business interruption is concerned, people are generally taking the physical damage and all the covers. But nowadays, due to this pandemic, ongoing pandemic, I think people will buy the first of all, insurance company has to launch such products during, for this thing, and the people will definitely buy. And there is awareness. If you see the earlier, we used to see the motor insurance, the biggest piece. Now, if you see, I've just gone through the September month figure. So health is overtaken motor insurance.
Yeah.
So now it's awareness, and I know some we are discussing among ourselves in the insurance company community. So people are saying earlier we used to call for the renewal of health insurance. Now customers are calling directly and renewing their health insurance policy. So definitely this pandemic has an impact on insurance business. Definitely.
Your company is planning for any specific products uh, looking at the present situation, or the old
Yeah,
ones
we are.
were sufficient?
Yeah, no, we are planning, and there's some in pipeline. We are about to file in the IRDA, like EMI protection, road rage cover, event insurance, educational shield insurance. Cyber security is nowadays very hot product because on a daily basis. Recently, yesterday I was reading about Dr. Reddy's lab cyber attack, and for that they have to close the operations. Motor engine protection product. So they are in the pipeline. We are launching this product.
Okay,
We are in
so
a process to launch this product.
we can expect new products in next 2-3 months.
Definitely. We are in process, and definitely you will see the at least three, four, five new products of Shriram General in the market.
Yes. So your company, it's not very visible as such, like it's not ki there are ads coming in the TV or newspaper or things like that. So what is your distribution model like?
Actually, normal, if you see our distribution model in insurance industry, the distribution model are normally the IRDA license broker, the corporate agents, and the IRDA agents. Recently, IRDA has relaxed the norms, and now POSP model has come. So But as a company, as a philosophy of the company since 1974, when Shriram Group was launched by Mr. Tyagarajan, our founder chairman,
Yeah.
we are not in that philosophy to, I mean, advertise or do something. We just wanted to share the dividend with the customer, or we wanted to serve the lower state of the. If you see our truck financing, we are into old vehicle truck financing, and that too FTU, which is called first time users. So we are doing, we are quite comfortable. We are making enough profit. And since last 74, since 1974, we are doing good. This is my 26th year in the company. I'm working with Shriram only since last 26 years.
Yeah.
I'm the witness of the growth
Yeah.
which Shriram has achieved during these years. So, that's good.
Yeah, because I think that is what your philosophy of Shriram Group is. Even in life insurance, I was talking to Mr. Manoj Jain. He was also practically saying the same thing which you were saying.
Yeah. This is the company philosophy actually,
Yeah.
whether it is Manoj Jain or someone else in the company. This is the philosophy. We are not basically believing in that. So, and
Okay.
earlier when I was young and I joined this company, I used to call my seniors and said that please do some advertisement. Now I
Yeah.
realize that because if you see Jan Saab, you start from your home and go to your office. Can you tell me how many hoardings are there and you remember it? It's not, I mean, it is not give the most impact. But if I'm giving a good dividend to my shareholder, then that impacts that way.
Yeah.
So,
That is fantastic. And sir, how you think this everything has now changed? Most of the things are now technology driven. So what do you think? The next big player will be technology only?
uh, in my personal opinion, insurance industry, like small ticket size things, yes, technology will play a role. Uh, both the things simultaneously, because if I wanted to sell a corporate insurance to some factory and all, so they need some physical appearance also. It is not possible that you can go and insure a big factory or a sugar insurance industry online. So, I mean, if a two-wheeler product, if a car motor product, or a health insurance product, or basically the way I'm telling retail insurance product, technology will play a great role. I mean, if you see the developed country, like earlier, technology was playing a good role, whether it is US market, UK market, French market. But in India, generally, it is through agency. But now, I think after this pandemic, it will play a good role. Like in our own model, we have launched a mobile application, which is very successfully running, and we are issuing around 70% policies through online and through mobile app. But because our business is retail, so we can do it. But I think corporate business will need some expertise always, in my opinion. But obviously, in every aspects, the technology play a big role nowadays. Earlier also, the people are saying this, but this pandemic has taught a lesson that there is no option but to use technology.
So you think the servicing part will become basically digitized more than the sales part?
Yes, because sales part, I don't think that advertisement can attract much customer. Service part will matters actually.
Okay.
If I pay a claim like in Shriram, we are issuing the policy in 10 minutes, and now we are going to pay the claim online also, some amount of claim. So if a customer is getting the plane on claim online and good service he is getting, so he will renew the policy with you, or I mean,
Uh,
service is necessary because insurance is the service industry.
Yeah.
So it is, you have to give good service, whether you are giving it online or you are giving offline. Service always matter. In my opinion, I think if you give good service digitally, then you can hold your customer for a longer period.
Fine, sir. It was really great speaking to you and knowing about your company uh, and the way your company is working and the way you look at the whole thing. And sure that company already doing very well and wish ki it does much more better than what we are doing now. And
Thank you.
digitization will help us in achieving our goals.
Yes, 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 sir. Thank you very much. So nice of you, because I know you since long, and being the in insurance, I always appreciate insurance alerts,
Yeah.
and you keep updating us on day-to-day basis happening in the insurance industry. So I
Thank you.
reciprocate the same for insurance alert also. Thank you very much, Jan, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Namaste.